This is the first test of the cat Tailsitter that Lorbass on the ArduPilot discussion forums has created. And so this is a 4-channel vehicle, so it's got two motors in fixed positions, so no thrust vectoring, and it's got 2 elevons. So if I pop it into manual mode, you'll be able to see the elevon movement. That's it there. And elevator, so that's aileron, roll and pitch. So I'll now pop it back into Q hover mode, and I'll tell it to take off in Q hover mode. There it is flying in Q hover, and I'll just bring it over a little bit so you can see a bit more easily what the plane looks like close up. For some reason, sound isn't yet working on it. Plus you can see that the motors and the propellers aren't visible yet. They are visible in the other model that we've created, which is the Caprina model. And so we just need to work a little bit on the graphics there to get the motors and propellers visible. But I can yaw it around a little bit here so you can see it from all sides. All right. Now, of course, I've lost track a little bit of which way is to the front. So when I now go up a bit higher and then transition to forward flight, I'm not quite sure which way it's going to go. So I think we probably need to put a different color on the top of the bottom, or put the cat only on the top, or something like that, so that it's more obvious which way is forward. So there it is in forward flight. And it really flies quite well in forward flight. And I can fly inverted as well. There it is flying inverted. It's actually very hard to tell the difference with this plane, whether it's flying upside down or right way up. But you can see it flip over in between. All right, so what I'll do now is I'll bring it down low, and then I'll run it along the runway and transition it to hover again. Okay, so ready to go to hover. And there it is hovering again, and I'll now bring it down. Bring it over a little bit towards the pilot's box. And we'll now land it on the runway. There it is. So that's the first test of Lorbass's cat model. And I think that's great progress. It's going to be terribly useful to have a Tailsitter in RealFlight. Happy flying.